Hello, I'd like to show y'all how to make these easy prayer boxes. I got these unfinished boxes off of Amazon, and then I painted it this gray color with chalk paint. And it doesn't have to be chalk paint. You can paint it whatever color you'd like. And you want to paint it with the grain. And you want to paint inside and outside as well as the bottom once it dries. Be careful not to paint the hinges so it will be able to close easier. Next thing, I printed out my prayer box, made the little design, printed it out on my Cameo silhouette. And I printed it out black, but the finished project has white on it. So after I painted the box gray, I also distressed it white around the edges, and I topped it with a polyacrylic coat. That way the letters would stick on easier. And I just peeled it off of my transfer paper, and I'm just positioning it the way I want, and then you just stick it on there and smooth it down and make sure it sticks nice and good. And then you're just going to carefully take off the transfer paper. I found that it worked really well. It stuck really well with the polyacrylic on it. And that's it. That's all it takes. And then you can write your prayers on a piece of paper and keep them in there safe. Hope you enjoyed it.